Recently, there have been a lot of tensions between India and Canada over the blame game of killing of Khalistani separatist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Now, let us first understand what is Khalistan. Khalistan derives its name from Khalsa. It was the time of 1675 when Guru Tegh Bahadur, the ninth Guru of Sikhs, was beheaded brutally by Aurangzeb. Now, to take revenge of this and to prevent the entire nation from the clutches of Mughal army and Mughal destruction, the 10th Guru of Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, established Khalsa Force in 1699. This Khalsa Force was aimed at protecting India from the clutches of extremists. At that time, it had a very pious motive. But recently, people have used the name of Khalsa to establish a separate Sikh nation, and the inspiration comes from Operation Blue Star, which was conducted by Indira Gandhi. This Operation Blue Star is also attached to the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Now, the tensions have widened because of killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, who is also considered as a leader of Khalistani movement. Now, after all this, Canada suspended Indian ambassador, and as a retaliatory move, India also suspended Canadian ambassador. However, few hours ago, another Khalistani separatist who was wanted under the NIA list of 43 most wanted terrorists in India, Sukha Duneke, in Canada on Thursday morning according to Indian Standard Time. Now, this has the potential of again widening the tensions, where Canada is blaming India for all these killings of Sikh leaders. India is saying that the inter-gang rivalry, which is very prominent in Canada, is responsible for the killings, and India has no hand in any of these assassinations. What do you think? Will these assassinations lead to more tensions, or can there be a solution to all these tensions prevailing between India and Canada? If you have any suggestion, please give us in the comment below. Thank you very much.